Welcome back to AutoHub Info, the ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a car that merges rich heritage with modern reinvention, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. This is not just any car. It's a resurrection of a legend, a blend of nostalgia and innovation, and a bold move by Citroën to remind the world why the 2CV once became a cultural icon. If you're a fan of automotive history, performance packed in simplicity, or just love the feel of the open road, you're in for a treat. The original Citroën 2CV, affectionately known as the Deux Chevaux, was introduced in 1948 as an ultra-affordable, ultra-practical car for rural France. Designed to carry 4 people and a basket of eggs across a plowed field without breaking a single one, the 2CV was minimalism at its finest. Its very definition was simplicity: lightweight, easy to maintain, low-powered but capable. Fast forward to 2025, and Citroën has dared to bring this legend back, not as a simple rebadge but as a thoroughly modern interpretation that pays homage to the original. So why revive the 2CV in this day and age? The answer lies in a blend of nostalgia and market demand for compact, efficient, and uniquely styled vehicles. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is a fully electric city car with retro aesthetics and futuristic technology. Citroën defines it as a lifestyle vehicle, designed for urban mobility and suburban freedom. It's built on Stellantis' smart compact EV platform, allowing Citroën to merge functionality with a charming, almost toy-like design that turns heads wherever it goes. While the 2CV originally found its home in France, it eventually spread throughout Europe, Latin America, and parts of Africa. It was especially beloved in countries like France, Spain, and Portugal, where its affordability and rugged reliability made it a go-to choice for farmers, students, and city dwellers alike. In the modern context, France still leads the way in embracing the 2025 version, with high demand also surfacing in Italy, Germany, and even Japan. Interestingly, the new electric 2CV is generating buzz in urban North America as well, particularly in cities that are prioritizing green commuting solutions. The popularity of the 2025 Citroën 2CV lies in its distinctiveness. At a time when many compact EVs look nearly identical, the 2CV dares to be different. With its curved fenders, quirky round headlights, and roll-back canvas roof, it's a visual statement. It doesn't try to be futuristic in a sterile way. Instead, it embraces personality. Social media has exploded with photos of the car in vintage paint schemes, and the 2CV is fast becoming a cult hit among younger drivers looking for something fun and expressive. When it comes to performance, don't expect supercar speeds, and that's the point. The 2025 2CV is equipped with a modest 60 kilowatt electric motor, delivering around 80 horsepower. That might sound low, but with a curb weight of under 1,000 kilograms, the car is incredibly nimble. It accelerates from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in about 6 seconds, which is more than enough for city driving. Top speed is capped at around 130 kilometers per hour, making it highway capable while still favoring urban performance. The instant torque of the electric motor gives it a surprisingly zippy feel in traffic, and regenerative braking helps make the most of its battery efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, this is where the new 2CV truly shines. Powered by a 35 kWh battery pack, it offers an estimated range of 250 to 300 kilometers on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. Charging is quick and simple. Using a 50 kilowatts DC fast charger, the battery can reach 80% in just under 30 minutes. For daily use, most owners will rely on home charging, and Citroën includes a standard wall box adapter with every purchase. Its small size and efficient design also contribute to low energy consumption, making it one of the most economical electric vehicles in its class. But don't let its simplicity fool you. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is surprisingly capable. It features a raised suspension system with excellent travel, inspired by the original's rural roots. Whether you're driving over pothole-ridden city streets or venturing down a gravel country road, the ride remains smooth and composed. Thanks to its compact footprint and tight turning radius, it excels in dense urban environments, fitting into tight parking spots with ease. The car is front-wheel drive, ensuring decent traction in wet or mildly snowy conditions, and its light body means it's easy to maneuver even for first-time drivers. Inside, the 2CV keeps things minimalist but modern. You get a clean dashboard layout with a single digital screen that combines infotainment and driving data. Citroen's designers have used recycled materials throughout the cabin, including cork inserts and fabric seats made from sustainable fiber. There's room for 4 adults, and the rear seats fold flat to create extra cargo space, which is handy for grocery runs or small weekend trips. The roll-back canvas roof is a delightful touch. It brings a convertible-like feel without the complexity or cost of a full drop top. In terms of key features, the 2025 2CV includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, and a built-in navigation system. Optional features include heated seats, a premium sound system, and color-customized panels that let owners personalize their 2CV to match their personality. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Despite its small size, the car comes with 6 airbags, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and a rear-view camera. Let's talk about price, one of the biggest selling points of the 2CV. Citroën has positioned this vehicle as a budget-friendly EV, with a starting price of around €18,000 in Europe, which converts to roughly $20,000 USD depending on the market. That undercuts most other electric vehicles by a wide margin, making it accessible for first-time buyers, students, and city commuters. In some countries, government incentives for EVs can further reduce the cost, bringing the effective price down even more. The biggest selling point of the 2025 Citroën 2CV is its identity. It's not trying to be the fastest or the most luxurious. Instead, it offers charm, practicality, and character. It's a car that makes people smile, whether they're driving it or just seeing it on the street. In a world of increasingly serious and similar-looking electric cars, the 2CV is a breath of fresh air. It redefines what it means to drive something affordable, sustainable, and fun. So there you have it, the 2025 Citroën 2CV, a car that honors the past while stepping boldly into the future. Whether you're a nostalgic fan of the original or a new driver looking for your first EV, this little icon is ready to prove that joy can come in small, electric packages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoHub Info for more unique and engaging automotive stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.